guys, so in this anime I want to share my reviews on this anime named as Rent a Girlfriend, and by the name only I guess you guys are going to watch this anime because it's very unique and hilarious. I mean, Rent a Girlfriend, it sounds really awkward for few, I guess maybe that's me also. And basically after watching it first episode I was sure that it's definitely going to be one of the highest ranking, I mean topmost ranking anime of the season, because it got really hilarious scenes and some really intense romantic scenes. I really love these type of animes in which a harem is involved and our guy is not that popular one, because usually what happens is if you are a popular one then you got an harem situation, and for a guy that's not good looking and something like him, he got a harem with some beautiful girls. It's very hilarious situation. I can say that you guys should go and definitely watch it. By the trailer only maybe you guys are going to love this anime, but after watching this first anime it's definitely 100% sure that you I mean there are very few words that I can express right now. So there are few points that I have noticed in the anime that I want to share it with you guys, and tell me whether they are spoilers to you or not, because I think they are not, they are just an basic information. So basically there is a girl involved in this anime named as Chizuru, and she is our lover of our main hero. Not in the starting, but yeah, eventually she will fall in love with him and he will fall in love with her. So yeah, basically she got a dual personality, and she's charming and sweet girl from the outside, but from inside she's a bossy girl and I really love this type of girl, so be honest, right? So yeah, and so basically that's our main heroine. I mean there are many main heroines because as in the name suggests it's a rental girlfriend. So yeah, all the girls that you are going to be seeing in this anime is actually her rental girlfriends. And so yeah, I have done a lot of research on this anime. I want to share it with you guys, but I really don't know whether it's and I mean it's count as spoilers or not. I don't really know. That's why I am not going to be sharing it on this video. I will make a separate video for it. So yeah, basically there is only few things that I can clear right now that you guys should go and definitely give it a try. I know you are going to love this. It contains really waifu scenes, and I mean it's so amazing that I want to read its manga now. I guess maybe after this video I am going to be reading its manga. Yeah, so that's for this video guys. I know it's kind of awkward video because I haven't really cleared anything, but as for my review, just go and watch it, that's all. So I hope you are going to enjoy this video. If you do, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.